All right, we're back. I'll explain all this in a minute. Eureka Math Squared, fourth grade, module 3, lesson 7, homework help. All right, you see some stuff down here? So here's what happened. I started sneezing during the first video I was recording, and I didn't hit pause. I hit delete, so I had to make a new video. So, yeah, well, it's kind of there. It'll look nicely. Hold on, let me sharpen this pencil real quick. All right, we're back. All right, let's get through this. I apologize. I know it's messy. I started sneezing. What do you want me to do? It happens. All right. So remember, fourth grade, module 3, lesson 7, homework help. All right. So 5,372 divided by 4. So in our 4 groups, you can kind of see my 4 groups still here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start putting them in there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we can't fit just this one and the others. We don't have room, so let's blow it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we can still see that. That's good. Okay, let's start putting them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, I didn't mean to. No, go away. My goodness, this poor paper. I'm beating it up. There. All right. I like to leave the one extra on the end so we can see to pull it over. So remember, we're going to blow this 100 up and bring it over, just like we had to blow up 1,000. Remember, we have 10 hundreds equals 1,000. So we need 10 tens to equal 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's start going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know we have at least 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we have 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's our 4 there. We have 1 left. We have to take 1 and blow it up. All right, so we got to bring 10 over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have at least 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and neat. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So real quick, write your numbers down. We have 1 here. We have 3 here. We have a 4 in each group here, and we have 3 in each group here. We have 1,343. Write that down here in case you mess up somewhere else. Your teacher knows you had it right here. Let's see if we can get it right over here. All right, so this is OPM. What's that stand for? My class is already laughing. Yes, old people math. Yep, old people math. That's a bad E. Told you guys I don't write the best. Again, over here, I don't write the best. My handwriting is not the best. I know that. My wife knows that. My kid knows that. My dog knows that. My class knows that. My parent. All right, I'll stop there. But I keep it organized so I don't lose. Don't make little dots. Make the circle so you can cross them off. All right, let's keep going. So we want to see sometimes 4 can fit into 5. 4 can fit into 5. Right, 1 time. So we put the 4 times 1 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we bring this 3 down. We're just going 1 spot at a time unless we have extra. So we bring this 3 down. Why do we bring the 3 down? Because 4 cannot go into 1. 4 is bigger than 1. But 4, when we bring down the next spot, 4 can go into 13. So again, multiplication chart, go over to column 4, skip over the 0. Count down how many spots to see if we can get 13. If we can't, we got to stay smaller than 13. You cannot go over 13. Stay smaller than 13. So how close can we get? Yes, 12 is the closest, which is 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. 4 cannot go into 1 because 4 is bigger than 1. So 4 can't hide there. All right, so bring that 7 down. Okay, 4 into 17. Yes, 4 can go into 17. Look on that chart, see what you can find. Again, go over to column 4, skip the 0. I skip the 0 because some of us are going to count down. So if you're counting down, you don't want to count the 0 because that doesn't count. All right, so skip the 0, count down to see if you can find 17. It's not there. So what's the closest you can get without going over 17 is 16. So from the 16, slide across to see what row you're in. Go to the left to see what row you're in. You're going to find you're in row 4 because 4 times 4 is 16. That leaves us 1 again. Just like over here, how we had to keep bringing, we had 1 we had to keep using to help us. Bring that 2 down, put that 2 here. So now 4 into 12. How many times can 4 hide inside of 12? Well, it can hide inside there 3 times. Nice, neat, even, 0 left, 1,343, 1,343. We got the same answer. We did it right. We use the OPM method, the old people math. This might be one of the new things I start saying, OPM. Okay, over here, it's not as hard. If you need to do this to help you with this, you have all this room to use. Use it. Help yourself out. Do it the same way we just did this one here. Rewind it if you're not sure. Go back to it and look. It'll help you out. Let's look at the back. Oh, conversions. Kilometers to meters. How many to how many? What's the difference? I feel like you're going to need some more zeros over here. Just a hint. I won't solve this, but I will read it for you. Casey runs 46 meters. Robin runs 35 meters. How many centimeters do they run together? So you can either switch meters to centimeters now, or you can solve the problem and change it to centimeters. Okay? Remember, meters big, centimeters, right? Meters big, centimeters small. I can't show you the true comparison because I'd be off the screen. Remember, meter is like a meter stick. Your teacher should have showed you a meter stick. So how many centimeters are on a meter stick? And then that's how many zeros you're going to have to add behind each of these to figure out the total. All right. Hope this helped. You guys have a great night. Again, this was Eureka Math, 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 7 Homework Helper. Have a good night.